Arethi kwe mwetu mbere ya ngucanio gatagati ga kirabu kia Gor Mahia na Aigle Noir kuma bururi wa Burundi kuhurwo mwaki. Kirabu kia Gor Mahia mari mehaririria-ini ma muthia mbere ya ngucanio no kuhurwo mwaki muthenya wa Kiumia kiharo-ini gia Kasarani. Noro na kuhana uguo nyafara wa kirabu giki Steve Pollack ni atungitio igutharia kwaga utungata wa athaki makiria ya atatu na aria ni abata muno ngucanio-ini ya muthenya wa Kiumia. Undu uria ugite ena umiriru na athaki aria magathaka ngucanio ino.
I have belief and faith in the players that will start on Sunday and those who are on the bench. You know, and it's all about believing and being positive, and that's what I am. I believe and I'm positive in the things that I know what I can do, and I know what the players can do as well.
Ngucanio-ini ya mbere Gor Mahia maumire kabati ya gibugu gwa gibugu na mashabiki mari na matanya ma kirabu giki kwandikithia maumirira mega kuona mari na munyaka wa guthakira tiri-ini wa mucii.
I just like to say to the fans that they need to, just come along. We'll be competitive. We need your support because you're the 12th man, and we'll do the best that we can. Why I'm here for every game. That is guaranteed. I am a very disciplinary coach, and they will do that on the football pitch. They have to be. Because if you want to be a winner, you have to be disciplined and organised. And I believe it's going to take time, maybe another 2 weeks before they actually get it. They are getting it. I can see it in training. They are getting it, but it will take time for it to get to where I want us to be.
Maya makihanikaga ngucanio cia kiurata niithite na mbere na gukumuthũranwo arethi kuturatara mbere ya kimera kia mwaka wa 2019-2020 kuhurwo mwaki. Umuthi kirabu kia Mathare mandikithirio hotani wa bao 4-1 magithaka na kirabu kia FC Leopards ona thutha wao kurumio muthenya wa ira ni kirabu kia Wazito na Wazito manyitwo kabati ya bao 1-1 magithaka na kirabu gia KCB.
Kamsilimisha huyu.
Wazito meregereirwo gucemania na kirabu kia FC Leopards ngucanio-ini gia kiurata muthenya wa Jumamothi.
Baada ya pasi mufti kabisa kutoka kwa
Girifotera Kameme TV haro-ini. Ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Dogo.